Hi everyone, welcome to Grandalai. Today we are going to discuss about Nobel Prize. What is the Nobel Prize? Who started this tradition? What are the categories for a Nobel Prize award? And also Nobel Prize winner list of 2021. Along with the tips and tricks, how to remember the names also we'll be discussing today in our session. Background of Nobel Prize. So first you have to know here about what is the Nobel Prize. The Nobel Prize considered the most prestigious award in the world and is set of annual international awards bestowed on people and organizations for outstanding contribution to mankind in their respective fields. Now we have to know about who started this tradition, right? So this tradition was started by Alfred Nobel, who was born on 21st of October 1833, and that is in Stockholm. You can see here Sweden, into a family of engineers. He was a chemist, engineer and inventor. So in the way back in the year 1901, when he wrote in his will that his vast fortune was to be used to create annual prizes, that is, in a series of prizes in the 5 fields. There, those who were confer the greatest benefit to mankind, and here this Nobel Prizes was administered by the Nobel Committee, which was set up by Alfred Nobel before his death. What are the categories for a Nobel Prize award? The Nobel Prize is awarded for outstanding contribution in the areas of physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature, economics, and peace. Every year, laureates are awarded this honor for distinguished advances or achievements in these 6 areas. Before, it was used to give in the 5 fields or areas and except in economic sciences. Regarding economic sciences, the information is that actually economic sciences was added in the year 1968 and started to present in the year 1969. So there's a fact behind the economic sciences which was added in 1968. And here there is a trick to remember all these 6 categories that student from LPE University chooses MPC. So here you can cover LPE, right? L represents literature, P represents physics, and E represents economics, right? Then moving to MPC, medicine, then coming to peace and chemistry. So this is all about the trick and how to remember the 6 categories for the Nobel Prize. Some interesting facts about Nobel Prize. All 5 prizes are given in Sweden except Peace Prize in Norway. Not awarded posthumously means, but if a person is awarded a prize and dies before receiving it, the prize may still be presented. As well as, prize cannot be shared among more than 3 individuals. But except you can see here, Peace Prize can be awarded to organizations. Example for organization, last year FAO was awarded with this Peace Prize. So here Peace Prize can be awarded to organizations too, but remaining what are the other categories were there? So here it was cannot be shared among more than 3 individuals. And other fact is that youngest Nobel laureate is Malala Yousafzai at the age of 17, and she has received and she got the Nobel Prize in the category of peace. Nobel Prizes list of 2021. In the field of medicine, 2 prizes you have received, and in the physics, 3, chemistry 2, literature 1, peace 2, and economic sciences 3. The total number of Nobel Prizes received in 2021 is 13. Nobel Prize winners in the field of medicine 2021. The laureates were David Julius, Adam Patapotian. These are the 2 persons from the country called America have received in Nobel Prize in the field of medicine, and the discovery is that about the receptors for temperature and touch. How heat and cold can initiate the signals in our nervous system, how our body can sense our environment. This is a discovery. Here you can remember their names with the trick called DJ songs are famous in AP. DJ represents David Julius. AB represents Arden Patapoutian. Laureates in the field of physics 2021: Sukuro Manabe, Klaus Hasselmann, Giorgio Parisi. These are the three persons received Nobel Prize in the field of physics. Now we'll be looking into the discovery and work regarding this. These three are climatologists. They contributed to an understanding of complex physical systems of Earth. You can see here about modeling of Earth's climate, quantifying variability and reliably predicting global warming. Coming to the next discovery of Giorgio Parisi for the discovery of interplay of disorder and fluctuations in physical systems from atomic to planetary scales. These are the discoveries of the person and received the Nobel Prize in the field of physics. Here you can remember the three person names with the trick called Kamal Hassan and Smriti Mandana met at Paris. So Kamal Hassan, right? KH. Klaus Hasselmann, the name you can remember. Next, Smriti Mandana, S and M. Sukuro Manabe met at Paris, right? So Giorgio Parisi, the last name will be also covered. So there's a trick to remember about the person names regarding the physics. Laureates of Nobel Prize in the field of chemistry 2021: Benjamin List, David W.C. Macmillan. These are the two persons received Nobel Prize in the field of chemistry. And here, coming to the discovery, first you have to know for the development of asymmetric organocatalysis. Organocatalysis means this is a technique of catalysis in an efficient, precise, cheap and fast, environment-friendly way to develop new molecules. That process we call it as organocatalysis. This is a discovery and they have received a Nobel Prize. Here you can remember with the trick with the alphabets order, right? A, B, C, D. So here B represents Benjamin List and D represents David W.C. Macmillan. And here even A represents asymmetric organocatalysis. So here with this trick you can remember the discovery and as well as names of the persons who has received a Nobel Prize in the field of chemistry. Laureates in the field of literature who has received Nobel Prize in the year 2021. Abdul Raza Gurnah has received in the field of literature and his contribution is regarding effects of colonialism and the fate of refugee in the Gulf between cultures and continents. This is a contribution Abdul Razak Gurnah has been done. Even you can see the images too. And next moving to the category of peace. Peace Prize was awarded for Maria Ressa and Dmitry Andreevich Muratov. Here you can remember their names with the trick called MD as a managing director. Actually M represents Maria Ressa and D represents Dmitry Muratov. Then moving to their contribution. This is majorly for their efforts to safeguard freedom of expression, which is a precondition for democracy and lasting peace. Actually, they are representatives of all journalists who stand up for this ideal of freedom of expression, free, independent and fact-based journalism, serves to protect against abuse of power, lies and war prop. Next prize comes in the category of economic sciences. Actually, the special category here, under the economic sciences, the prizes will be given by Riksbank Prize. Riksbank is in Sweden. So this is a Sweden central bank, we can see it as. So this Riksbank will be going to present the prizes in the field of economic sciences. So here the recipients were David Cart, Joshua D. Angrist and Gaudo M. Imbens. So these are the persons who have received the economic sciences regarding the Riksbank Prize. Here now you have to know about the trick how to remember their names. DG, Director General of Jharkhand. DG with the initial letters of a person and Jharkhand actually represents Joshua D. Angrist. So here moving to the contribution is regarding to labor economics and as well as to the analysis of causal relationships. Labor economics represents to understand the functioning and dynamics of the markets for wage labor. So regarding this, actually they have presented in the field of economics. Thank you for watching. Subscribe Grandhalaya, like, comment and share.